So, to promote students into the next class in shikshasetu.assam.gov.in, you have to first go to this website, shikshasetu.assam.gov.in. Then you have to log in using your school credentials. So I am using a test login, but you have to use your school credentials. Fill all the details, your login details, fill in this captcha, and your school dashboard will appear here. So from here you have to go to this student management. Click on this. List of 5 options will appear. You have to go to the 4th option, this promotion or repeater. Simply click here. After that, all the classes present in that school along with the number of students will appear here. So suppose I will click to this class 2. I'll click on this. You have to click on whatever class you want to promote, and the class 2 all students name will appear here. So every student who is enrolled in this class will appear here. Suppose you want to promote only a certain, like only specific students. Suppose these 2 students, these 3. I've selected these 3, and you just scroll down here. You will find 5 options. You have to click on this promote. Click on this promote option, the first option, promote. Click here and select the class where they are being promoted. So the next class will appear here, 3 section A, 3 section A, like that. This is a test login, so don't worry about the classes. You will see here the classes which you have in your school will be displayed. So I'll select here class 3 and I'll click on promote. After clicking on, see the students updated successfully. If you want to promote all the students at once, simply click on this checkbox above at the top. Click on here and every single students will be selected. You can click on promote, select the class same way, and you can promote them. Okay, so this is how you can promote students from one class to another in shikshasetu.assam.gov.in. Thank you.